Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all are good and healthy. Now, let us start our next topic of chapter Observing the Sky, and topic is constellations. Let us closely and carefully observe the some bright and prominent star on a clear night sky. What do we observe? Some of these stars appear to form some kind of the pattern that appear to resemble some familiar figures. Such a group of stars is known as constellation. Constellation definition is a group of stars that appear to form recognizable pattern or shape in the sky is called constellations. One of the most important constellations which we can see during the spring season in the early part of the night, and it is the Ursa Major and known as also Great Bear or Big Dipper. Here two stars at the top of the constellations are called pointer. You see on the screen, these are the two stars that are the top of this constellations is called pointer, and this is because the line join this point is in the direction of the special star that is called the pole star or north star. Another one is Ursa Minor. Ursa Minor is also the another constellations. It is also known as the Small Dipper and visible in the spring season. Next one is the Cassiopeia. This one is also the constellations and it visible in the autumn. These are the some different types of the pattern of the stars in the sky. These are the different types of the constellations in different shapes. Another one is the Orion. Orion is the another constellations that is visible in the winter. Next is the Pole Star. Pole star or the Dhruv Tara is the special star present in the northern hemisphere, and in the ancient time people used to determine the direction during the night time with the help of the star. The North Star located in the north direction is called the pole star. It always remains fixed in the same position in the sky. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of the Saptarishi. Because it's remain in the fixed position at one place, this is so because it lie along the axis of the rotation of the earth. Because of the special feature, this star has been useful to the travelers and always show the north direction. Next one is identify the planets in the sky. We can identify planets in the background of the stars very closely observing the night sky. And there are some features. A planet is closer to us than the stars, and planets appear like the tiny discs, and whereas the star appear as a point. I have differentiate between the planets and the stars. Planets do not twinkle, do not have their own light, get light from sun and stars. For example, earth get light from the sun. Another one is the stars. Stars are the heavenly body, twinkle, have their own light, and stars do not appear to change their relative position with each other in the night sky. In ancient time, people are also named the planet is the wandering star. Changing night sky. We already know that stars do not appear to move with respect to each other in the sky, and if one closely observes some bright stars for an hour or so, it will be found that there is a slight shift in the position of the star in the sky. Stars like the sun appear to move from the east to west, and due to the rotation of the earth its axis from west to east. Thank you so much, and it is our chapter 12, observing the sky. And you take care at home, stay safe, stay healthy at home.